Hey guys, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell 757-515-3028. Today I'm going to finally be showing you a finished Stefanie Model by EDC Homes. This is 9552 13th Bay Street in the East Ocean View section of Norfolk, Virginia. Right past that traffic light down there is the beach. Just beyond that is the Chesapeake Bay beaches in Norfolk. So we're really a bayfront community here. Most of these houses have sold. That's an Amanda model. 9562 13th Bay, 9566 sold. That's a Stefanie. There's a Manchester model on the corner, which is a St. Jude house, giveaway house that EDC put together. 9563 is a sold Stefanie, the green one. This is 9559. It's under contract. There is one more Stefanie to be built down where that burgundy exit sign is, right by the SUV down there. And then down this way going towards Pretty Lake, so we got water on both sides. 9532 is a Stefanie model. 9528 13th Bay is an Amanda model that are under construction now. I'm filming this in August of 20, so pricing, availability is all subject to change, but I'm happy to help you. But anyways, let's check out 9552 13th Bay Street, the EDC Homes Stefanie model. This buyer contracted early, so there were a couple things that she was able to have input on. One of which is the fireplace here. She added the LED fireplace, which we thought turned out really nice. It's not a standard feature, but she was able to add an upgrade. Note the metal spindles, stained stairs, nice trim package. We got the LVP flooring here, which is fantastic for the coastal community part. It's waterproof, or at least really water resistant, scratch resistant, just a really dynamic flooring material. Should stand the test of time for years to come. Really well appointed kitchen. You can see the gas range, stainless appliances, quartz counters in this one, just a massive island. But this one's got the two-tone and the cabinetry, 42-inch cabinets with crown. You can see the two-piece crown rather throughout here. Nice pantry. These are full wood, soft close cabinetry, uppers and lowers. Massive lots out here, really nice backyards. Transition over to the dining area. Get good natural light. One of the popular things with the Stefanie model is this covered outdoor living, so you get this covered deck, which is really just fantastic if you enjoy spending time outdoors. Powder room here. There's a coat closet just next to us. I'm gonna skip that. Right here, got your shut-offs, doorbell, relay. It is pre-wired for surround sound, so you can see HDMI, Ethernet, coax. That runs up here. You've got surround sound pre-wired, 5.1 surround. I'll take you upstairs. You've got a structured wiring panel in in the laundry up here that feeds the Ethernet and data throughout the house. Just a nice included upgrade. LVP into the second floor here. I'll call this bedroom one. We do have 9-foot ceilings up here, so it really just shows off, just really has a drastic impact on the feel of the space. Massive closets in this model. Bedroom 2, another huge closet, same as the first one. I'll do the master last through those French doors. Bedroom 3, if you want a media or something, this is probably it. This room's really big. Another big closet. LVP carries into the laundry. Got the floor drain. This is where the wiring for the house is centralized. Here's the hall bath, matching cabinet and quartz here. Super. All right, now the master suite. 9-foot ceiling with the tray. It just really shows fantastic. Here's where you've got the wall TV readiness for this room. You can see it's finished nicely. Just kind of open. This can come with doors on the closet if you want. This one is open. We'll walk around and show it to you. Get some natural light in here. I'll come back through. Again, just note the kind of grand feel of the room. Here's the ensuite master bath. We'll wrap up with that. Back to the LVP, which is fantastic in the water application areas, bathrooms, laundry, etc. Dual vanity here. This shower also was custom, so this was an upgrade that the buyer paid for. Usually it's a 60-inch fiberglass pan with tile surround with the glass enclosure. If you contract early enough, something like this, is feasible, of course, for a fee, but that's all something that can be discussed. Separate tub, it's a nice deep soaking tub with a tile surround. Huge picture window here is nice. And then here's your toilet closet. Thanks again for joining me. This is the EDC Homes Stefanie Model at 9566 13th Bay Street in East Ocean View, Norfolk, Virginia. Contact me for upcoming options. Really have houses all over Tidewater, different price points. The market's on fire right now. As I mentioned, it's August 20, lowest rates ever. Inventories are low. Make sure you're working with the pro. Thanks for watching the videos. I appreciate your patronage. I look forward to connecting. Make sure when you're home shopping, you make it a priority. Have some fun.